Hi, this is Accutek Car Audio and Visual in Winchester. Here's a little video of a Transporter T6 having a KENWOOD DNR992RVS installed. As you can see here, it's a really nice big screen, nice and easy to use, especially when you're driving. It's got the volume control, which is what I like most about it. You've also got, on this particular one, you've got navigation, so you can use navigation without your phone. It's got Garmin built in. You've got 3 years free updates on this as well, which is a nice feature. You can have a camera input on this, front camera and 2 side cameras if you wanted to. It utilises the original USB socket just here for charging and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This has also got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto wirelessly, which is great. If you'd like to have this done in your T6, then please give us a call on 01962 886 900. Thanks for watching.